everyone, welcome back. Today is day 16 of your 30-day Pilates journey. I'm Terriell, and today we're going to be focusing a little bit on stability as it pertains to our bodies while we're working out. So in Pilates, just like in centering, we want to be moving from a strong and stable center always. So with that in mind, we'll kind of move a lot of things around today, but practice the stability in the parts that are supporting us throughout our body with each exercise. Let's get started. So let's begin with 100. I'm going to have you lie down on your back and pull your knees into the chest. And then we'll curl the head, neck, and shoulders all the way up. And then from there, we'll send the legs out to our working position, reach the arms long by your sides, and begin to pump the arms up and down, breathing in and breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. In with the air and out with the air. 2 more breaths like this. And exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 more breath like this. And exhale. And now we'll change it up. Legs lift. 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs lower. Now your arms are pumping, your legs are moving, and your center is totally stable. I want you to think of balancing a hot tea cup on top of your head. You're not going to spill that hot tea all over your face, because that would be a tragedy. Keep pumping, lifting the legs, and sending the legs down. 1 more time. Legs lift, and legs lower. 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold. Now from here, pull your knees all the way into your chest to lower your head down. We'll keep the right knee in and send the left leg long for some single leg circles. So from here, I want you to take that right leg and reach it up to the ceiling. Go ahead and give yourself a little stretch. And then place your arms long by your sides. Now we'll stabilize here by pulling your abs in, reaching your back pockets heavy into the floor, and pulling those shoulders back, pressing your palms backward, and start to circle the leg down and around and lift. Now your bottom leg as you circle is also driving into the floor, staying heavy so that your hips don't move as you circle. 2 more circles this direction, and last one. Now go ahead and reverse. We'll take it to the outside. Careful to keep your shoulders open and pressing down. 3 more. Last 2. 1 more time. Leg to the ceiling. Hug it in. Sending it all the way out. Now we'll pull the left knee into the chest. Reach that leg up. Give yourself a little stretch. Press your palms down by your sides, chest open, and then start to circle. Cross and around and lift. Checking in here. Abs are tight. Right heel is pushing down to the floor. Shoulders are open. Hands are pressing in. Backs of arms pressing in. Hold the top. And then reverse. 5 circles in the opposite direction. 4 more. Last 3. And 2. Cross and up. 1 more time. Cross and lift it. Hold it there. Go ahead and hug your knee all the way in. Let's do 1 roll up. Sending that left leg long. Reach your arms backward. Breathe in. Exhale to roll all the way up through your spine. Take a stretch over your thighs, dropping your head down heavy, pulling the abdominals in. Now we'll take the arms all the way back, slightly behind your hips with your fingertips facing forward. Now I want you to glue your heels in together in the center and press your arms firmly down into the floor, lifting your chest. From there, we'll drive down into the heels and lift the hips up high. Now pull your waist in, getting taller, not taller, but longer. And then we'll take the right leg and just lift it without moving anything else. Set it down. Whew. Left leg, just lift it. Set it down. Right leg again. Lift it. Set it down. Left leg, lift it. Set it down. Have a seat and reach over for your toes to take a deep stretch. All right, now from here, let's flip to the stomach for single leg kicks. So now I want you to place your elbows and forearms down onto the mat. Make fists with your hands and bring those knuckles together in the center. Now just punch down into your hands here to lift your elbows off. So we want the contact with the mat to be a little bit smaller to make it a little more difficult to stabilize. And now pull your shoulders down to widen your collarbones, and we'll take some quick kicks. Right leg, 1, 2, left leg, 1, 2, right leg, 1, 2, left leg, 1, 2. Now, as these legs are moving like rapid fire, you want to balance that teacup on top of your head, keeping everything stable, driving those shoulders down your back. Abs are tight. Let's go 3 more, and 3, and 2, and 2, and 1, and 1. Lower yourself down for double leg kick. Now, hands behind your back, stacking them one on top of the other, head turns to the side. Kick 3 times without moving anything else. In 3, super quiet, still kicks. 1, and then reach back. Lift your chest up. Turn your head to the other side and kick 3 times. Now, as you kick, try not to let that reverberate through the rest of your body. Keep it super stable. Reach the legs long, anchor them down, lift your chest up, lift those arms back. Turn to the other side. We have 2 more. Kicking 3, kicking 2, kicking 1, send the legs down, lift everything off the mat, and lower, and kick 3, kick 2, kick 1, send the legs down, lift everything off, and lower all the way. From there, take a quick stretch, sitting back onto your heels, rounding your spine. And then we'll set up for some side kicks here, lying down on one side, sending your toes slightly forward, making sure you're in line. Now your stability comes from your powerhouse. Your palm presses down on the mat. And now I want you to squeeze this bottom armpit down so that your waist reaches really long, and keep all of that stable. We'll take the top leg and lift it. We'll go quick. 1, 2 to the front. Reach back. Kick, kick to the front. Reach back. 4 more to the front. And reach. 3 more. Kick, kick. And reach 2 more times. Kick, kick. And reach 1 more here. Kick, kick. And reach it. Yes, now stack the legs up. We'll just do a few lifts here, lifting those legs off the floor. Try to keep your upper body nice and strong and calm. Set it down. Let's do 2 more. Lift off and set it down. Use the powerhouse to lift up with those legs and set them down. Press yourself up. Send the legs all the way over to the other side. Same setup here. Reaching long through the bottom waist, squeezing down in that bottom armpit, sending the toes forward. Top leg lifts, it's long. Now really stable through the chest and the hips. Forward with the leg and back. Kick, kick, and back. And try to make this snappy so that your body really has to work to stay stabilized. Kick, kick, and reach. Let's go 3 more. To the front. Reach back. 2 more times. Send it forward. Reach it back. 1 more. To the front. Reach it back, and then set the leg down. From there, we'll stay on this side, and I want you to place your hand down onto the mat, and we'll stack the feet up one on top of the other with knees slightly bent. We're going to build your side plank up. So now if you feel comfortable, you can press down into your feet stacked like this and lift off, or you can stagger those feet and find your balance. Now from here, we have a long arm with your shoulder directly above your wrist. Your abs are tight, and you're squeezing down, holding everything really stable. Squeeze in the inner thighs and the seat here. Now go ahead and lower your hips. We'll dip them down 3 times and up, 2 times and up, and last one and up, and lower down with control. Swing those legs around to the other side, and we'll get ready, stacking the feet up, pressing that palm down firmly on the mat. Plug that shoulder down before you go, and then go for it. Stacking yourself up on top of that arm and on top of the feet. Inner thighs are tight, seat squeezes, chest open, belly in, and then go ahead and dip the hips down 3 times and up, 2 times and lift, 1 more time and up, hold it, and then lower down with control. One more thing today. Go ahead and step your feet down onto the mat, inner thighs squeeze. Roll down with control until you're flat on your back with the knees bent. Now bring your hands behind the back of your head, palm over palm, and we'll do 1 rep of crisscross on each side. So I want you to curl up first, curling head, neck, and shoulders off the mat, keeping your elbows super wide. Now take a big twist to your right, looking past your bottom elbow. From here, your legs aren't moving at all. Your back pockets are super heavy on the mat so that those hips aren't twisting. The hips are your anchor here, stabilizing you. Now go ahead and take it to center and then lower back down. Let's do it to the other side. Curl up, twist carefully to the left, up and over, reaching that top elbow towards the opposite knee, keeping your hips heavy, square, and stable. Curl up a little bit more, take it center, and lower. Let's do one more adding on. Curl up, twist right. Nothing else moves in the lower body. Now pull your right knee in. That left knee stays right where it is. Now try to touch your elbow to knee. 3, 2, 1. Good, and then set everything down. To the left, curl, big twist. Bring the left knee up. Now try to touch the elbow to knee. Woo, hold it there. 3, 2, 1. Pull everything down and rest. Good. Now go ahead and rock and roll up to sit. You made it all the way through your day 16 of the 30-day Pilates journey. We're moving right along past the halfway mark. I will see you on the mat tomorrow for day 17. Bye for now.